Let us see how to create, how to use platform as a service, Salesforce platform. So platform as a service provider will provide you a runtime environment for development and deployment. Using that platform, it is very easy to do any kind of database app or any kind of program. So let us see Salesforce. So Force.com platform is the first platform as a service. It also enables for developers create and deliver any kind of business application entirely on demand without software. This platform is also very easy to use, and it will also help for creating solutions for your unique business requirement without any programming experience. So before Salesforce, customer relationship management solutions were hosted on a company's own server. But can you imagine the cost and time it took for companies to have their own CRM solution? It is used to take months or even year to set up, and the cost went up to millions of dollars. Even after setting them, they were extremely hard to use. So what should be the feasible solution? I'm sure, can you guess? Building an affordable CRM software and delivering it entirely online as a service. This was the main idea behind Salesforce. Salesforce started as a software as a service company. Salesforce has grown into the fifth largest software company in the world. Salesforce is a cloud-based customer relationship management platform for supercharging every part of your company that interact with the customer, including sales, service, including marketing and building apps. Now, in that CRM, it's software that stores customer contact information like name, addresses, phone numbers, as well as keep the track of customer activity like website visits, phone calls, emails, and more. So these are the key technology behind the platform. Multi-tenant architecture, API access, Apex programming we can do in that ready-made platform that is the Salesforce. This is the first multi-application, multi-category cloud company that is Force.com. Now let us see how to create warehouse application in Salesforce.com. So these are few steps I have mentioned over here. Whenever we are going to register Salesforce.com or whenever you are going to log in, so how to create object, custom object, later on how to create different fields in that. So these are the steps I have mentioned over here. So now we'll see how to create actually Salesforce object. So this is already I have registered through the Salesforce.com. So go to the setup, go to the create. In that there are administrator field, build field. So you have to just go to create object, give the object name, myself, later on plural is myself, record name, myself, description, data type as a text, then allow reports, activities, click on save. Setup, object myself. So here create myself. In that, go to the customer field and relationship. Click on a new custom. Click on new custom field. Select the data type auto number. Select next. Write down the field label prod underscore ID. Display format. Here you just write here. Description, if you want you can write. Then next. Starting number I forgot to write here, so you have to mention 101. Next. Next. Save and new. Save and new. Enter another data type. Enter another data type as a date. Select date. Go to next. Field label. How to give the date of sale. Later on, default value. Next. Save and new. Next. Save and new. Third field, you have to select the data type as a number. Data type as number. Number. Here, just click on the number. Select next. Field label, you have to write quantity. Quantity. Here you have to give the length 18.0. Default value, show formula. Next. Save and new. Fourth field is you have to select the currency. Next. Enter the field label rate. Length 4. Decimal places 2. Show formula. Default value. $10. Next. Next. Save and new. Select data type as a currency. Next. Quantity sold. Sold. Next, save. Now let us see, already we created object. In that object we created different fields using customer field and relation. Now how to create an app? Go to setup, create app, new, my shop, next, insert an image, if you want to attach any kind of image you can select. Then next, add object, my cell, add object, my cell, just click on that, select an image, next, add object, add object, my cell, next, you see this is the my shop. In that you can create, if you want to, tab, setup, create, tab, choose my cell object, my cell, these are the fields already we created.